Hello, this is Nancy. Today I'd like to introduce you a commercial gate. This commercial gate is made of aluminium profile, which is in thickness of 3 mm. It has many options. It can be made in single, double, and twin style. The width of this single door can be 1.2 meters and the height can be 3 to 4 meters. The glass for this door has 3 choices: single glass, double glass, and laminated glass. And the handrail of this door is made of stainless steel. It has a variety of choices. You can choose different styles according to your personal requirements. As you see, we install security lock on this door, so it can open from inside only. The door closer we use is imported from Germany. The advantage is that it can easily open and close. The warranty is 3 years, easy to use and long service life. When you close the door, it will slowly and evenly bounce back, which will ensure your safety. This door closer can adjust its tension according to your personal needs. When you want to make it more tension, then you need tighten the above screw a little. On the contrary, then you need loosen the screw a little. The color and the size can be customized. The minimum order quantity is 2.5 square meters. And if you have the requirement on the fireproof rate, then we can also do it. For more information, please contact with us. Thanks. Bye.